good decision making isn't just about logic or luck. It's deeply connected to empowerment. When you feel empowered, when you trust yourself, understand your values, and believe in your abilities, you make clearer, stronger, more aligned choices. And when you make aligned choices, you feel even more empowered. It's a cycle that builds confidence, resilience, and self-leadership. Today, we're going to explore what decision-making really is, how empowerment strengthens it, and the steps you can take to make decisions with clarity and confidence. I am Auntie Starshine, and this is Starshine Teen Development. Let's get into it. How to make empowered decisions. Decision-making is the process of choosing between options, using your values, goals, intuition, and reasoning. It's how you take action and shape your future. Every decision, big or small, has the potential to influence your path. But here's the key: good decision-making isn't about perfection. It's about alignment. It's about choosing from a place of clarity, confidence, and self-trust. How empowerment strengthens decision-making. Empowerment and decision-making are deeply connected. One fuels the other. 1. Control and autonomy. When you feel empowered, you believe you have control over your life. You're not a passive passenger, you're the driver. This sense of autonomy makes decision-making feel less scary and more intentional. 2. Increased self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is the belief that you can handle what comes your way. When you make decisions and see positive outcomes, your confidence grows. You start to trust your judgment. 3. Personal growth. Every decision teaches you something. Even mistakes help you grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Empowered people don't fear mistakes, they learn from them. 4. Problem solving and adaptability. Empowerment helps you face challenges with a proactive mindset. Instead of freezing or avoiding decisions, you assess your options and move forward with courage. 5. Values alignment. Empowered individuals make choices that reflect who they are and what they believe. This alignment creates peace, clarity, and long-term satisfaction. 6. Confidence and communication. When you trust yourself, you communicate your needs clearly, set boundaries, and collaborate more effectively. 7. Resilience and intuition. Empowerment strengthens your intuition and your ability to bounce back from setbacks. You become more grounded and less shaken by uncertainty. Before we move into the practical steps, if you enjoy my content, then give this video a like. If you haven't already, subscribe. Thank you. I also want to remind you of the Girl Talkin' Coffee event coming up on April 18th. Follow the link in the description for event and ticket details. Empowered decisions. Here are 5 simple, powerful steps you can use to make good decisions. Step 1. Pause and regulate your emotions. When anxiety kicks in, your brain goes into survival mode. Before choosing, pause. Take 5 deep breaths. Calm your body so your mind can think clearly. Step 2. Reconnect with your long-term vision. Ask yourself, which option moves me closer to the life I want? When your decisions align with your values and goals, clarity comes naturally. Step 3. Listen to your intuition. Your intuition is wisdom stored in your body. Notice how each option feels. Does it feel open, exciting, aligned? Or heavy and draining? Your body often knows before your mind does. Step 4. Compare your options honestly. A pros and cons list still works, but score each item based on importance. Not all pros are equal. This helps you see what truly matters, not just what looks good on paper. Step 5. Decide from a neutral mood. Avoid deciding when you're overly excited or deeply stressed. A calm, grounded state leads to clearer, more empowered choices. When you consistently use these skills, you experience more confidence, less anxiety, and stronger boundaries. You build better relationships, greater resilience, and a clearer sense of identity. You also achieve more aligned goals and a deeper sense of self-trust. These benefits compound over time, shaping a more intentional, empowered life. Know this. Empowered decision-making isn't always about choosing the perfect option. It's about choosing from a place of clarity, confidence, and self-trust. When you trust yourself, you make better decisions, and when you make better decisions, you trust yourself even more. That's the heart of empowerment. That's how you build a life that feels aligned, grounded, and truly your own. Remember, you are a star. Stand tall, shine bright, trust yourself. Until next time, Auntie Starshine out.